Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Wave Options, and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 205 on VIR, which as you can see was a long call in our volatility strategy, and we returned just over 50% in about 3 weeks time. We sent this out as an alert to our subscribers on April 23rd, so we can click here and come down and see the chart. And as we expand the chart, you note that we have an ascending triangle pattern. Now, it's not unusual at all, obviously, for an ascending triangle to have a pretty good horizontal support line there and a lot of bars forming it, but the bouncing is what's more normal. Towards the end here, you can see that we had a very tight consolidation. I call that kind of the launch pad effect. I live on the Space Coast, so it kind of goes hand in hand, but quite often when you see that kind of a tight consolidation, you get a blast off like a rocket to the upside. 90% of the time when you see one of these triangles, we're going to be sending out an alert that's a strangle, but this time we were, because of that launchpad effect, speculating to the upside. It was a biotech company, so speculation of work on the COVID vaccine, and you can see in our reasoning that we did note that this was a speculative alert. Today, the stock did blast off just like that rocket. There you can see the bar where it went straight up, and you can see the continued launch pad effect there with the sideways consolidation. Gapped up with the market, in addition to the Moderna news that they had a promising results from their potential COVID vaccine. So the fact that we had to gap up, which is always worrisome, and we moved at the close, or where we closed the position out, a great deal away from the 10-day moving average. So we're overbought, we've got a gap, we've got a volatility spike in those calls. Good time to go ahead and take the profit, and when you can make over 50% in 3 weeks, that's always a pretty good trade. So hope you found that informative. Look forward to talking to you again next time. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.